We're such a blend of different types of jewellery here. Jewellery can be so much more than just a glittering bauble that you wear. So the Inspired Festival for the School of Jewellery is a fantastic opportunity for our graduates or would-be graduates to showcase their work.
There was the opportunity to have pictures of my work put up on billboards around the city. So above New Street station and sort of on sides of vans and things.
To be able to go and get information from the industry and not just tutors here, everything's on your doorstep. And people are always so happy to help because they see the DFI course as new faces going into the jewellery quarter now.
It is really great practice for them in terms of showcasing their work, preparing it, displaying it, and all of the accompanying promotional material as well.
This is now the second piece of work that I've exhibited. And again, it's that confidence to take my finished work, work I've spent a long time working on, invested a lot of time and emotional. It's a very personal thing, you put it out in public and people come and view it. It's nerve-wracking, but it's really good. It's been thoroughly enjoyable.
I came to BCU with no jewellery background or knowledge, and the amount I've gathered to leave with is just amazing.
And then suddenly this great sort of explosion of fantastic product really enables all of us to enjoy the outcomes of our students.